Hey guys, this is just a quick little video to help you guys with slicing solids, and that was lesson 3 of Unit 12. This is just a quick little video that you guys can go watch. It's about a ninja slicing three-dimensional objects. Okay, so check this out. You have seen these objects in the real world. So think about a slice of pizza. That's in a triangular shape. Okay, you slice a circle, right? And so what you want to do is think about if you slice this pizza just straight down the middle. Imagine what it would look like, okay? Also, look at this block of cheese here. If you take the block of cheese with a knife and you start cutting it, the point of this lesson is to really think about what does it look like in the inside. Which shapes are you getting in the inside, okay? And then check this Coke can out. They took the knife and they just cut each, they sliced up this Coke can. And if you notice, in the inside, when you slice it up, you get actual circles, okay? Same thing here with this piece of cake. You don't always, just because it's a circular cake, doesn't mean you always necessarily get a circle shape. They cut it on an angle, and look, they got a rectangle. The top part of it is a triangle, but the inside of it is a rectangle. Okay, so here's a pyramid, and if you notice, it depends the way you cut it. So if I took a knife and I put it at the top, do you see that darker blue square there? It made a smaller square. But if I take my knife and I go further down, what's going to happen to that square? It's going to expand, okay? Because if I took my knife and I cut it horizontally at the bottom of the pyramid, well, guess what? It is not going to be as small as the top one, okay? Well, check it out here. If I take this pyramid and I take a knife and I cut it straight down the middle. Well, if I take those two pieces out, I am going to create a triangle. All right. And then if I take my knife and only cut it on the side, not through the vertex at the top, then I'm going to get a trapezoid. That's exactly what I'm going to get. Okay. So going here, just these were some questions from OLS. It says if you took this plane, okay, a plane is going to intersect it, all right, and it's not intersecting it at that vertex. It's just going straight through the middle, okay. It says what shape will result once it crosses the section. Well, you're going to get a rectangle. So think about taking a knife and cutting it straight through that side. You're going to get a rectangle. Okay. And then here at the bottom, they actually gave you some dimensions here. They gave you dimensions, and all they wanted to do was you look at this blue rectangle here and imagine it as being a knife. Okay. And you cutting it straight down. Okay. So you're going to get a square that's going to have the length and the dimensions of 6 and 6. That's why this one was your answer. Okay? And in conclusion, guys, so this doesn't always have to necessarily work with triangular pyramids. This could work with prisms and it could work with cylinders, okay? And it all depends how you're cutting it. Think about cutting a cardboard box, okay? Think about that. If you cut it straight through the middle, you're going to get a rectangle, okay? If you take that knife and you open it up and you look at the two pieces, it's going to be a rectangle. Same thing here if you cut it perpendicular, okay? Perpendicular to the base, you're going to get a rectangle again. All right. And then here, look, if I cut it a different way, okay, if I cut it straight up and down, I'm going to get a square on the side, okay? All right. Sounds good. So one last thing is, if you wanted to play a game with this, go and download the app Fruit Ninja. It helps you so much with slicing fruit, and just like this watermelon, the inside of it is a circle. So go ahead on and do that. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a K-mail. This lesson really focuses on what you can imagine, what you can see. Okay, I hope you guys really understood this lesson. It was quick, but there you have it. Love you guys.